Are you tired of losing while playing on CG side? Are you lazy to push the bomb side because you are low on cash to buy M4A4? Don't you worry, the 5.7 is come to save your life. 5.7 is a highly accurate and armor-piercing. The pricey 5.7 is a slow loader that compensates with a generous 20-round magazine and forgiving recoil. The 5.7 FN7, I mean FN57 or AES 57 as it was previously known, and the best pistol what low ranks like. The weapon is only available only to counter terrorists, so if you want to rush them easily, you could use this weapon if you want to. The 5.7 is like M4A4 and it shoots a miniature rifle, so you practically use a pistol but it's like a rifle. After each shot of the 5.7, it will go up with the recoil. Many people kill you with this because they're aiming for your big square hitbox's chest, and it will guarantee a headshot if you don't stand still. Well, practically, if you walk, the spraying it will less accuracy. I mean, like upper the accuracy, and while you're running, it's less accuracy and more spraying. So if you see a 5.7, you better run away. If you want to try to kill someone with the 5.7, you probably should know how to aim it well. If you don't know how to aim, you probably sneak up to the terrorists and spam mouse 1 near them and get headshots. So if here's my advice. If you're using a 5.7, you probably need to use it for escaping. All you need to do is spam mouse 1 and run left and right and go right if there's a door. That's good for dust too. So that's it. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next time.